Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what are the messages for the first 15 days of May. And as you know, they are all general readings, and they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign also. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Pisces for the first 15 days of May. Messages for Pisces for the first 15 days of May. Three of Swords, the Hangman, Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Cups, Knight of Cups, Seven of Wands, Two of Swords, the Magician, and the Sun. Okay. So Pisces, what I feel is there has been a situation which was breaking your heart and causing you pain and agony for a long time. Okay, you've been in this situation for a long time until you realize that it wasn't worth it. That's what I feel. And you decided to have a new beginning. See, something was really very, very agonizing and some very, very painful for you. And things were stuck in your life. Okay, because of this pain, perhaps it can be this also. Maybe this painful situation was there since a long time, or it can be the pain because you were feeling a lot of pain and life was stuck and stagnant, things were not moving forward. It's something like that. So maybe the pain was for a long time, or maybe because of the pain you were not able to move ahead, or things were stuck, or because things were not moving forward you were feeling the pain, whatever it is. But yes, there has been a lot of heartbreak, a lot of agony, a lot of painful situation, and things were just not moving. Okay, and then we have the Ace of Pentacles. So what I feel is there is definitely a new beginning over here, starting from a fresh, some sort of a new beginning is definitely over here with the Ace of Pentacles. It's beautiful, which looks to be at least having some sort of a long-term potential, stable, committed. Okay, so new beginning comes in, or maybe you decide to have a new beginning in your life. Okay, and we have the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Cups, and the Seven of Wands. So what I feel here is that you are trying to leave this past behind. You are trying to, with this new beginning, or if it is a new beginning in your life which has already come, or you decide to move towards a new beginning, you are ready to give up whatever was holding you back, or trying to release the past or the emotional baggage, and you are trying to move towards peace. Okay, so that is what you are doing. You are choosing peace. You are leaving behind. You're starting your life anew. Okay, it's a new beginning definitely, and you're releasing the past, letting go of whatever was holding you back, and ready to open up emotionally towards someone. Okay, so here with the Knight of Cups, you are ready to open up emotionally, leaving behind the past, ready to have a new beginning, ready to let go of the pain, which has been a very long standing pain. So because of this pain, things were stuck, things were not moving forward, and definitely now you are ready to release it. You are ready, you are moving forward for the new beginning, opening up emotionally also. And with the Seven of Wands, what I feel here is, with the Seven of Wands and the Two of Swords, I think some sort of a decision has to be taken. You're trying to make up your mind on something. Maybe it's not easy for you to release the past. It can be that there is some sort of, you're trying to stand your ground. See, it can be that as you are trying to release the past and move emotionally towards someone new or something new, it's not easy. It's not easy, but still you are trying. You are trying to defend your ground. Okay, no, I have to come out of it. No, I need to release the past. No, I have to let it go. It's something like that with the Seven of Wands. That's what I feel. Okay, since you have decided to start anew, it is a struggle or the resistance of falling back to into the old trap or falling back into the old negativity or the pain. So that is, I think that is what you are trying to work hard on. No, I need to move ahead. I need to step up. I need to move ahead. I need to release the past. It's something like that. And with the Two of Swords, definitely you are working hard. You need to take a decision here. You are sort of stepping back, taking a decision, being in a reflective mode, trying to make up your mind, trying to work on this thing as to how you have to release the past and get out of it. Okay, and that is what it is. That is, it is all about releasing the past. That's what I feel. Opening up emotionally and resisting the resistance which is coming while you are moving ahead in your life. And once you are able to make a mind, okay, no, I have to do so, you are manifesting a new beginning for you. With the Magician and the Sun, you are manifesting new beginnings. You are ready to make a change. You are ready to have that happiness, and that is what it is. You are getting the Sun. You are manifesting happiness for yourself once you are ready to leave the past behind. Okay, so you are, whatever you are resisting, the resistance which is coming in your way to for happiness. Okay, that is what you are doing. Okay, you've been stuck in this painful situation for long. You are ready to move ahead, and you are fighting back anything which will hold you back from falling back or into that old depression or that old way of life or whatever is resisting you from moving forward. Beautiful reading. Okay, messages from this deck: Ten of Diamonds, commitment, relationship, family, long term. Guidance from the angels for Pisces. Out with the old and in with the new. Beautiful. Number 16 may, or number 7 may be of some significance for you. Heaven is showing you a sign that it's time to move in a new direction. Often this is because you are not happy and feel the lack of purpose in your life. It is a wake-up call to make changes that match your heart's desires and spiritual truths. Beautiful reading, Pisces. I was just wondering as to what it is all about, but then yes, it just makes sense. It just makes sense. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.